Hey there everybody, it's Peter from Indigo River Tiny Homes. I have my lovely wife Christina running the camera.
Hey y'all.
And we're here to show you our latest and greatest creation. This is a 36 foot long by 8.5 foot wide bunkhouse model, where the bunkhouse model means it has 3 bedrooms, all stand up. So that's one of our signature designs. This house has our standard exterior with the lapboard siding. This is smart side siding, which is a wood composite. It also has an exterior spigot. It has the Deluxe loft on the rear end there, so it has the rear storage, and then it has our standard storage shed over the hitch of the house, and then also comes standard with an exterior outlet and porch light. Ready to go on in?
Yeah.
And then our entry door here has the full glass with blinds between the glass.
And that's an upgrade.
Yes.
But mostly it's pretty standard on the exterior. So really pretty countertops. And the wood and the ladders is so pretty.
The solid mahogany on all the countertop, and the ladder and the stairs and the handrail are all solid mahogany, and so are the floating shelves in the kitchen. Let's start in the kitchen.
Beautiful.
So, I'll keep my shoes off here by the front door. And like I said, solid mahogany. This has our standard 28-inch sink. It's very deep. I think it's a 10-inch deep sink, and it comes with these ledges that have some accessories. The accessories are stored away right now, but you can set. It's got a cutting board and then like a roll-out drying rack that go in there. So pretty neat. We got the flip-down storage for the sponges, full bank of drawers, the toe kick drawers, and our 24-inch electric oven with a drawer underneath, big enough to cook a turkey in.
Right on.
2-burner cooktop, vent hood vented to the outside. The customer has a small microwave that they want to keep, and so they opted for just a larger shelf for the microwave instead of having the built-in microwave like we do it a lot of times.
Yeah, so that saves some money if you don't get the built-in microwave. And then you can change it out if you want one of those combo units or something like that. So this is a standard kitchen except that oven, right?
Yeah, the oven's the only upgrade in here.
Nice.
And then it comes with the apartment size fridge.
Although this will be the last house that we deliver the fridge with.
Yes.
You're going to get your fridge delivered after we deliver your house. We've just had some problems with fridges, so we got to do that.
Yeah, and she opted for the pull-out pantries in the stairs, and the storage stairs. So we got a combination of drawers and pull-out pantries.
So just a little bit of an upgrade on the storage stairs then, I guess.
Yeah.
With those extra pull-out pantries instead of empty.
Yeah, instead of regular cabinets.
All right, so it's pretty standard bathroom too, except for the washer-dryer hookups. Standard vanity. And medicine cabinet. Hey, y'all. Okay, and then standard flush toilet. Maybe you can see the cabinet does not reach out over the toilet too much. And then this is a standard acrylic surround for the bathtub. You can get a shower acrylic surround if you'd rather have a shower instead of a bathtub.
Yeah.
So anything else? Tell us about this.
And then the laundry alcove here, this will fit an apartment size side-by-side washer and dryer. So if you have the space, you can do an all-in-one, have hamper space, or if you'd rather have a separate washer and dryer, you can do the 24-inch wide washer and 24-inch wide dryer that is available with a lot of different manufacturers.
And if you have to have full size, then we just make this scoot that wall out a little bit and make the bathroom a little bit bigger for your side-by-side full size.
Yep.
Tell me about this.
So
Rain shower
head. Yeah. And waterfall faucet for the bathtub. And a separate, shower sprayer for.
So yeah, you can see it there. And then a little sprayer.
Yeah, so a little bit upgrade on the.
And then an
shower.
extra medicine cabinet.
Yep.
That's an upgrade, but pretty standard bathroom.
And we go upstairs.
Ready for the master bedroom.
Yep, and we have the stair lights on the stairs there.
Of course, the shoe cubby. And these banisters are just so pretty. All right, so this master is a deluxe. It's got the L-shaped landing, and then this customer opted for 3 wardrobes instead of 2 wardrobes and a window seat. And window, of course. So they just have 1 window in the bedroom, but it's nice and big and plenty of light in here.
Yeah, one thing I wanted to show was the.
Oh,
can you see that?
No, let's do the bedroom and then.
Okay. I meant to show that in the bathroom downstairs.
Well, I can when I walk over there, I'll get it.
Okay, and then these are casement windows. They crank out. That's standard on most of our houses. Are the crank out windows?
Okay.
All right.
So
and this
queen
is a
size
bed.
We
Yeah.
said that right.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And we got the built-in bookshelf here, and this bottom half is open to the living room, kitchen
Yeah. Wait.
side.
Are you going to show me the light?
Oh, yeah. So which switch was it? So when you turn these off and turn them back on, it makes like a night light, just kind of a backlit.
Soft light.
Soft light, yeah.
Yeah. So at nighttime, it's not so harsh.
Mm-hmm.
You can just turn on a kind of a soft light.
Yeah, and you just do that by toggling the switch.
And then, so the built-in bookshelf for the bed platform is an upgrade, but we've showed this before where it has. All right. We didn't really talk about the living room, but there's a love seat there that will fit, or you can do a full-size sofa without any end tables, or maybe a really skinny end table on this one, or is it going to be?
It'd be wall to wall with a full-size sofa.
Wall-to-wall sofa. And then this is our bunkhouse. So bunkhouse is 3 stand-up bedrooms, and really this configuration makes it the bunkhouse, kind of because it's like bunks. You can see the bed platform. Do you want to go over there and show?
Sure.
So the bed platform, you can see up there.
And a lot of people
ask ceiling height.
Right. And a lot of people ask about, can we put storage underneath the bed? But no, because usually our bed platforms are the ceiling of whatever is below it, either the bathroom or another bedroom or living room. So, and that's a 6-foot, 7-inch ceiling in here.
So yeah, so the 2 bedrooms kind of fit together like Tetris pieces.
Mm-hmm. There's a little alcove here below the landing.
This is below the landing. So normally we'd put like a wardrobe in the corner there where that chair is.
Or it would be
or where he's standing.
Where I'm standing, and then the bed would go either this way or that way. And
so there's room for a full-size bed or a twin.
Mm-hmm.
And then here they're going to do an office.
Yeah, so they opted to not get the wardrobe. She's going to use this as office space. Which a lot of people are asking for these days, because a lot of people are working from home these days. And so they wanted just a dedicated office space where you can close the door.
Yep. And do phone calls and such, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we just made it a little study when we staged it, but it'll be a proper office with a desk and everything. So here's bedroom number 3. So they opted for no drawers in their wardrobe here, but usually standard it's drawers. And this is queen?
Queen size, yeah.
All right. So a light switch over there, and plugs, another plug there, so you could put a TV, I guess. Of course, the windows meet egress requirements.
Yep.
And I guess that's everything.
I think so.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Love ya.
Bye, everybody.